My dear friend, you are most welcome on my channels. I will tell you some of my books. I am an author. My name is Vijay Kumar Pal. The Panorama of Indian Democracy in Indian Context. The substance of this book you can search after purchasing these books. All these books on the Flipkart. सारा व्यवस्था ही गड़बड़ कर देती है पागल औरत. This is the book Lament of Sinjar, Tears of Yazidi Woman on Saswat Publication, Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh. This is the book The Venomous Fangs of Cobra, Rudra Publication, Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh. You will find all the substance when you purchase my books on Google, Amazon, Flipkart, etc. This book, Lost Paradise Kashmir by Vijay Kumar Pal. How the Islam devastated the Kashmir on the Rudra Publication, Bilaspur. This book is the Zohar. This book reflection of Islamic doctrine of Malik Ganimat and Wajib Qatl means for captive Kafir women are the right hand possessions of the Muslim soldiers and can be used as sex slaves, londis, bandis and can be sold after using them as open market. As Wajib Qatl means a Muslim has right to kill any Kafir in jihad. This book also published on Rudra Publication, Bilaspur. This book, Black Dots of Terrorism, published on the Rudra Publication, Bilaspur. Discriminated Hindus by Vijay Kumar Pal, published on Saswat Publication, Bilaspur, and the most selling book of my these among 10 books. This is Invader and Hidden Facts by Vijay Kumar Pal, Rudra Publication, my first book which I has written. और this is my ये तो दिखा दी हमने. This is my new book, the latest book, that is Blender of Blasphemy, Asthita Publication, Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh. You can purchase all the books on the Google, Amazon. This is my book published on the Saso Publication, Paranoia of Cults. So, my dear friend, today we will discuss about the Islamic countries must be banned from any general meeting of United Nations organization because Islam does not respect United Nations Charter. So, who this is stupidity is being followed by the United States of America is USA is very keen for selling its weapon to the Islamic country and destruction of the mankind. Now we will see what is the United Nations General Charter. So let us see what is the United Nations General Charter. I will open it on my laptop. Article 1st. What is the United Nations Charter states? To maintain international peace and security and to end the take effective collective measure for the prevention and removal of the threats to the peace and for the suppression of the acts of the aggression or other breaches of the peace and to bring about the peaceful means and in conformity with the principle of justice and international laws, adjustment or settlement of international disputes of situation which might lead to be a breach of peace. Here we see that Islam is the perfect peace-breaching ideology. Islam does not believe in the harmony between all the society or all the non-Muslims because many verses of Quran is very, very against the UNO Charter to keep the peace and harmony. The Islam is disturbing the peace and harmony in this world. So the article first is totally against the Islam. Then why the Islamic country are taking the membership of the General Assembly of the United Nations Organization? Article 1.2 to develop friendly relation among nations based on the respect for the principle of equal rights and self-determination of the people, and to take other appropriate measure to strengthen universal peace. Here we see that Islam does not respect the equal rights, because in Islam there is no right for the woman and there is no right for the non-Muslims. So Article first point 2 also Islam breached it. Third, to achieve international cooperation in solving international problem of an economic, social, culture or humanitarian character, and in promoting and encouraging respect for the human rights and for the fundamental freedom of all without distinction to all race, sex, language or religion. And here we see that Islam is a perfect problem which created the international problem to the society, and Islam always disrespect the sex, that particular the woman sex, women or the fair sex, and religion, because Islam is a perfect gunism against the United Nations Charter. Article 2, the organization based on the principle of sovereign equality of the all its member. But the Islam does not respect all the members of this society, that is Jews, Christian, Sanatani means the Hindu. मैं आपको I am telling you the very most important articles. So the preamble of the United Charter is, we the peoples of the United Nations determined to save succeeding generation from the scourge of the war, which twice in our lifetime means two world war. The first and second has brought untold sorrow to mankind, and to reaffirm faith in fundamental human rights, in the dignity and worth of the human person, in the equal rights of the men and women of nation large and small, and to establish the condition. So we let us see that the Islam does not maintain the dignity and worth of the human person, and Islam does not give the equal rights to men and women, because according to the Islam, the women are lower than the male, matlab female lower than the male, because according to Islam, the strata or the status of the male is more than woman, and even the strata of the Muslim is more than to any non-Muslims, and any non-Muslim very inferior to the Muslims. So Islam does not respect the charter of the United Nations organization. It does not respect the humanity. It does not respect the harmony of peace. So Islam is the most breaching factor of the peace and harmony, as the United Nations organization charter is to maintain the peace and harmony within the all its member. But if the member, a Muslim country, it cannot respect the peace and harmony to the United Nations Organization General Assembly, because Islam does not allow any Muslim to cooperate with non-Muslims, and does not allow the respect of the non-Muslim women, because in Islam the rape and the killing and the robbery of the non-Muslim woman is completely a holy work. And if any Muslim does this, he will go to heaven. And if we are not Muslim and we are good person, we are helping to others. But if we are not Muslim, then we will go to hell. This is the stupidity of the Islam and the Gunism of the Islam. To practice tolerance and live together in peace with another as good neighbor, the preamble of the United Nations Organization. But here Islam practices intolerance, and a Muslim cannot live together with Hindus, Jews and Christians because Islamic teaching against the human values. Islamic Quranic verses does not allow to live a Muslim with any non-Muslim because it is totally prohibited in Islam according to some verses of the Quran that a Muslim cannot be a friend of the non-Muslims or Jews and the Christians because these peoples are the filthy or the just like a excreta of the man, means just like a stool. So such type of the heinous crime is being committed by the Muslims since inception of the Islam, which was launched by so-called mentally retired Prophet Muhammad bin Abdullah. Second, to unite our stand to maintain national peace and security. Here the Islam only disturb the peace of the society, peace of the world. And you are seeing in nowadays that every Muslim is a terrorist because he is following the ideology of the Islam, which is totally perfect terrorism. But United Nations Organization could not see. I think the General Secretary of the United Nations Organization is half blind or having the half brain, that he could not restrict the Islamic country to take the membership of the General Assembly of the United Nations Organization General Council. All the Islamic country must be banned from the entrance of the United Nations Organization because Islam does not follow the guidelines of the United Nations Organization, that is the UN Charter for the Peace and Harmony and to avoid any war. But the Islam always provoking the war known as the Jihad Asghar against the non-Muslims because this is the prime and holy work of a Muslim to kill the non-Muslims in the name of the stupidity which is known as Islam and which was propagated by a mentally retired and the stupid and violent in nature person, that is Muhammad bin Abdullah. To employ international machinery to promotion of economic social advancement of peoples. Here the United Nations Organization protect the promotion of economic advancement of all peoples, but there is no need to any Muslim according to Quran that he must do a business or any activities which is for earning his livelihood because Islam allows the robbery of the non-Muslim people, and this is the prime work of the Islam. The robbery means the captured the wealth of the non-Muslims without any fair means but with the criminology of the robbery, which is heinous crime according to Islam. So United Nations Charter is totally violated by these Islamic countries because they are enforcing the Sharia of the Islam, which is a dictatorship, then Gunism and the shamelessness of this Muslim world. All the Muslims are shameless because they are following the teaching of the Islam, which is very dangerous to the society. According to the respective government through representative assembled in the city of San Francisco, whether we could achieve the we can achieve the targets of the United Nations Organization where there a single Islamic country is exist in this world, because all the Islamic country are following the Sharia, which is totally against the Islam non-Muslims and that is the Hindu, Christian and Jews. So uh, nobody can claim that where the Muslims or the Islamic countries are the member of the United Nations organization, United Nations organization is fulfill their achievement. United Nations cannot be uh, cannot be full cannot fulfill the achievement or cannot uh, achieve the target which was set up by the United Nations Organization Charter first meeting due to this Islamic Gunism or Islamic dictatorship against the civil society. So all the Islamic country must be banned from the General Assembly of the United Nations Organization unless they have give to certificate that we are not following such treacherous verses of Quran which is very very against the society or the human value. Thank you very much. I hope that you will understand my views about the Islam and the United Nations Organization lapses regarding the Islam. Thank you very much. See you.